Hello everyone, I am James and you are watching Good Times Tech YouTube channel. The keyboard here which you can see is Motif ES6, Yamaha Motif ES6 digital keyboard, or it's also a synthesizer, I think so, arranger. It's an arranger keyboard. The problem with this keyboard is when I switch it on, you see, it goes through the boot up process and we hear a very big loud noise from the speaker. As you can hear the noise from the speaker. I have connected a JBL Bluetooth speaker via aux cable to the headphone input. So to stop this noise, just press on. Here you can see in the effects column, in the effects you just press system, then bypass insertion. Okay, the noise is gone, but the keyboard will play well. I'll show you. Just as here you can hear the sound now. The sound is clear even for the categories. I'm not knowing much about this. Here voice, category, and I'll select the piano. As you see, piano, you can select even the organ. I'm not a piano player, I don't know much about the piano notes. So rest all work fine. Only thing is you need to do is whenever you hear there is a noise after the boot up, just press system, insertion, and that's all. The keyboard will work fine. So I thought when this system has, just by pressing system and insertion, if the noise is gone, so I thought not to disassemble the keyboard because it is working now. But even though I have informed the customer that if he faces any problem with this, he need to give me that approval, then I can further disassemble it and check for the exact problem. Or I think I have advised customer, that to reinstall the OS of this operating system, that is the firmware. I advise the customer to reinstall the firmware, complete firmware once, and then check for the noise, whether the noise is still appearing. In this way, as you can see, just by pressing system, insertion, as you can see, when I remove the system and insertion, I can still hear the noise. Yes. So now again I press system, insertion, that's all. It is silent, but the keyboard plays. Hope this video will be helpful for you in solving the noise output problem in your Yamaha Motif ES6. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.